welcome back. If you're new to this channel, hi, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back, y'all. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing home decor. But before we do that, let me just start by telling you as to why I am doing this. So let's enter my room. So this is my room basically. As you can see, I am not complete with the whole project that I'm trying to do. I'm pulling this peaceful, earthy kind of vibe in my room. So I'm still trying to put in more plants, and revamp here and there, fix, put in, that's why I'm doing this whole channel of DIY, because instead of having to buy things, why can't I just do it myself? So you've seen my room and why I'm doing this. So let's get into today's project. So guys, this is the first project we're going to be doing today. It's basically like a lantern stand, but you see the end product when we're done here, okay? So basically what I have here is 4 picture frames that I got from Pep Store for 10 Rand 99. Okay, very easy and affordable, this project that we're about to do right now. All you need is glue, picture frames, and sellotape. You'll see why we need this. So let me just start here. Okay, so the sun just got too much in my face, so I got my bucket hat. Anyway, for this project, we're not going to be using the back part of the picture frame. We're just going to be using the picture frame with the glass in it. So I'm just going to take this part out for all 4 of them. And we're going to just take this part out as well. Okay. What we're doing here is gluing the ends here, as you can see. So what I need to do right now is glue this part. I had turned it the wrong way, imagine. I guess we're gonna have to be generous with the amount of glue we use here. I'm just trying to get it to look neat, okay? And now we're gonna use sellotape to hold it down so that it doesn't get loose while it dries. Then we're gonna move to the next part. You are the glue to my life. I'm so damn cheesy, yo. So damn cheesy. I'm assembling it. So now we're just gonna let it dry, and then when it's dry, we're gonna take off the sellotape, and I'll show you how we can set this up in your room or anywhere in the house that you feel you would like to decorate. Okay, so for this project, we're gonna need glue, right? Obviously, glue makes everything stick together, like me and you. Like, I'm so cheesy. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna need a circular object, wood, because I'm gonna use wood today. You can use a circular pizza tray or a tray that's circular. I can show you another example. I'll just show you a picture of it. Okay, we're gonna use that. and you're gonna need 2 bins, because in this project we're gonna be doing a side table. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. It's very simple. I basically use this wood. It's been in the house, so I'm upscaling it. This I just got from Crazy Store. I'll put the price below because I forgot how much it was, because I don't have. Okay guys, sorry, I forgot to add that I'm gonna be varnishing this wood, since you can see how it looks. Using old varnish that I found in the house and a cute ass paintbrush thing that I bought. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour. Oh, what an interesting color this. Okay, so we are close to the finish line here. I'm just gonna let the sun dry it off, and then we're gonna get started with the other part of the table. So right now we're gonna be doing the table part of the side table. So what we're gonna need to do is put this one side of the bin upside down, and then put this one like this. So we're gonna glue these parts together, right? So I'm just gonna get the glue and glue it around here. Ugh. Right. Okay, to hold it down, I'm just gonna get a brick. We just want it to be glued down, right? That's the motive of this whole thing. So while we're waiting for the table to be assembled, I think we should just move on to the next project. Okay guys, so now for this project, we're just basically going to revamp this table that I've got long ago, you know. So what we're just gonna need in this project is a table and wallpaper. I guess you guys can also do it with any table that you have at home. I got this wallpaper from Checkers for 50 Rand, and I thought it was very nice because my room vibe is black and white, so this should work for this. So what we're gonna do is just use this wallpaper to cover this white area. Right. This is the perfect amount. I'm just gonna cut it out and assemble it basically. Okay, now we're gonna start putting the marble wallpaper on. I just took extra so that I can cover here as well. I'm literally so scared to assemble this and then it's a flop. Right. So guys, we are complete with putting on the marble. What do you think? I don't know, there might be a bit of bubbles, but I really tried. I really tried. Okay guys, I am done now assembling the table. I don't know what y'all will think of it, but I really like this new transformed look. I think I want to spray the legs, but my sister's against it, so I guess I'll leave it for now. Maybe over time I'll change it, I don't know. But we got the complete project, yay. Okay guys, we are gonna finish off this project now. I'm just gonna put glue around the edges of the circle. Does the circle even have, okay, whatever. After that, we're gonna put the table on top. Voila. Now I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'll show you the finished product afterwards. So I hope you like this video, okay? I really hope it, because damn, I like it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it. And yeah, this was very easy, I feel like. Yo guys, it's been a long ass day, but the project has been complete, right? Let me just show you how I am going to assemble it. Yep, that project has been done. This project has been done. So that's 3 projects in one. And if you like this video, guys, like, subscribe, comment. You know what it is. It's Create with Cat out here. Bye, y'all.